Hey guys, it's Matt Grimes with East to West Della Terra Division at the AT&T Stadium with Funtown RV at the RV party. This is our 261 RB. It's our #1 selling mom and pop trailer. First thing I'd like to show you is our compartments. First, they're oversized and they're all finished off. When you look at a lot of compartments out there, you'll see that there's wood studs, wires hanging down and stuff like that. With mine, they're all smooth and finished, so if you're pulling a cooler or golf club or something like that, you're not going to be catching on these things. All right? Our speakers. We mount our speakers down low. Most everybody else puts the speakers up high. But what our customers told us is they couldn't hear the music. Only their neighbors could hear the music. So we brought them down low so that when people are sitting out here, they can hear the music. All right, you also have a TV plug and a cable connection right there with a backer, so that if you wanted to put a TV out here, you could. Goodyear Endurance tires instead of those Chinese tires. And we use this flip-out step, which is standard. All right, every trailer that we build comes with a black tank flush so that you can clean out your black tank when you're done camping. And now we'll go inside. Okay, it's Matt Grimes again, East to West. We're back inside the trailer. We're here at AT&T Stadium with Funtown RV at the RV party. This is my 261 rear bath. The reason I'm in the bathroom is because I wanted you guys to see how big it was and see the counter space that you get with this 261 rear bath. It's unbelievable. Big sink, porcelain toilet, residential shower, all in this one great big bathroom. All right? Come out here and you'll see that we don't use carpet, we use marine material. This is pontoon boat material. It cleans easier. Then we also use the material here comes from pontoon boats too. It's all marine grade fabrics. Fireplace is standard on this trailer. We use Furrion TVs, which is a marine grade television. What does that mean? That means that it's the back of this TV is encased in silicone so that the circuit boards aren't bouncing up and down when you're going down the road. And also the silicone protects it from any moisture that would get on it if you were going to put it outside or something like that. We do put drawers under our dinettes. That's something that you usually get when you're going to a big fifth wheel or a motorhome or something like that. Nice drawers, slide out drawers. Again, our power converter, if you have lithium batteries, you just flip a switch in there and you can add lithium batteries. Most of the trailers out here, you'd have to replace the charging because the charging is different. Plugs everywhere, USBs, plugs under the dinette, king bed is standard, 12 volt, 10 cubic foot refrigerator. We've been using those for a few years now. No more gas refrigerators. You get a lot more storage and it cools a lot quicker with that refrigerator. Residential faucet here in the kitchen. I get a lot of compliments on that. People do like that. And a stainless steel sink. All of our heat comes out of the side. We don't have in-floor ducted heat. We feel like if you do in-floor ducted heat, it weakens the floor. So we would rather have a sturdy floor. Thanks again for watching. This is Matt Grimes at East to West Della Terra Division at the Funtown RV party at AT&T Stadium.